Now there are many types of sauce, but the one you're probably looking for looks a little something like these. So fasten your seatbelt because I'm about to take you on a ride that'll change your life forever. So the term sauce is just another way of saying source, as quoted here on the Urban Dictionary. You may have noticed while going down the comments section of an anime meme that there appear to be a lot of comments containing just the word sauce. You must be wondering, what's up with that? When a person becomes very desperate to know the name of the anime or manga displayed in the meme above, they run down into the comments section and type sauce in hopes that someone will answer their prayers. That action alone is what earns that man the title nickname of Chad, because he does the asking for you. The Chad Sauce Asker, or the Virgin Anime Asker. Chad Sauce Asker, Big Peepee, Virgin Anime Asker, Small. So after leaving this comment, it will soon be visited by someone of supreme intellect. This person is known as the True Savior. He is the carrier of all things sauce related. And when he responds to this comment, his response will either receive a name, if it's an anime, or a 6-digit number, if it's a manga. If you receive a name, go to Google, type in the text given to you, and start clicking on random links till it gives you something that looks like what you're looking for. If you were given a 6-digit number, you're probably thinking, what the fuck do I do with this? Well, rest assured, because I'm about to teach you how to decipher this code. So here's how you set it up, your search bar, and it should read www.hentai.net/g/. Now this is where the sauce comes in. You take the sauce code and you put it right here. Once that's done, you press enter and let the machine do the rest. And that's all. Congratulations! You have cracked the sauce code. Like this video and subscribe, unless you want to end up like him. Do it. Cue the outro! Fuck yeah, dude.